So I've gone through the motherboard specs, the power pack specs, what disk drive, and the case design and all that in the previous video. So, and also including all these wires and that, so yeah. Basically today we're actually going to put this thing in that thing here, and hopefully we're going to start it up, so wish me luck. So
tell me what it means for you to feel your heart renew. Is every touch and every smile carry a bliss that's worthwhile? There's not a waking moment I don't think that I need you less. Why does being this near feel far? You're the tune that's breaking my heart. I know you want this love, no you can't give up, baby. Just let it happen to you. I know you want this love, no you can't give up, baby. Just let it happen to you. I know you want this love, no you can't give up, baby. Just let it happen to you. Just let it happen to you.
go, piece of pie. Then we plug our CPU fan, dedicated CPU fan slot, and just go to push that wire above those RAM card slots, so then it's not in the way, it's not touching anything it shouldn't be touching. So then just put that to one side here. So CPU fans connected to this cooler, so the air from the fans will just drag across and hopefully it'll suck some air into it. That's the theory anyway. So still not sure where all this HD audio stuff's meant to go. I believe it goes in the bloody thing here, but of course it doesn't want to fit, so I'm not gonna. Top tip: if things don't fit, don't force them because you may break them. It's just a top tip I've learned because I have broken a couple of bits. So. Go. So there's a shiny new hard drive, and that goes in the slot which you can't see. It's there, so let's move that down. Sorry about the crackling that you just heard. That's stuff doesn't actually fit 100% in it, so terribly sorry about that. That one goes in there. Now, our SATA cables, immediate cables. So we have cable ties and we've got SATA cables. So carefully chop open our SATA cables. Chuck them out. Because one is angled, and I believe that's for my disk drive. So that one goes into there. Oh, that's not very good, is it? Just and this one, and then put in that. There, so that's that done. So guys, I won't actually screw it in now, but this is pretty much how far I've got. So it started off with an empty case, as you can probably remember. Well, it wasn't exactly empty, it had the motherboard in and stuff, and the disk drive. My Arctic Freezer Extreme has arrived. It's got a 6-year limited warranty. It's the CPU cooler from the computer, which is literally here. So yeah, that's pretty cool. yeah, it's got effective heat dissipation, easy installation, pre-applied stuff, cement. It works with Intel and AMD. Of course, I've got an AMD 6300 Black Edition. Says like us on Facebook. If you guys want to like us as well and like this video, please do. I have opened this just to check, so it was like something like that or something. So let's just undo that. I keep knocking the camera through tight space. I've done it again. Right, so of course with epoxy there, it's quite big, very sturdy. I mean, that's my hand compared to this. So yeah, it's very, very big. I've got the AMD parts, which is what we'll be using. It does come with Intel, but of course we won't be using Intel. So I'll do a video right now of me getting in the computer, and then we'll come back to this. So here we go.
You've been feeling flashbacks holding you back from me, but I will not break your heart like she did. You and I, we're just the same, haunted past with different faces. Oh, look into my eyes, stay there if you can, and don't look back. Don't look back.
So put it in after a lot of faffing, because it wouldn't. It's kind of a pain to get, because I've got, of course, my graphics card in, which I suppose I should have taken out, but then I've got another heatsink which is actually connected straight to the motherboard, so I can't really take that one out because that's also mounted in. So you know, it's really hard to do. There's a balloon there, if you're wondering. That is my 18th birthday balloon, which is cool. So I've managed to get it in. If you have trouble like me and you can't get it in, put it in chat and I'll try and explain it how to put it in, because I had to take my RAM cards out and everything. I've also put a new fan in my computer as well, just so it cools it a bit more, just drags the heat out from underneath and above, which of course is needed. Okay, so bye bye for now.
Yeah.